Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a job and resume PDF editor. So if you're looking forward for building a resume for a job or a CV, you can use this editor. So I built out in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is actually the full directory structure. It's a static web application which directly runs in the browser. So it's built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is the full directory structure. This is the main file. You open this with live server. So it has three templates. You can choose any of these templates. This is the first template. So once you select the template, it will look something like this. You can export this to PDF. So once you click the download button, it will export this to actual PDF file. So you can actually export this. As you can see, the resume CV has been exported. And now if you want to edit this, you can easily do this. So you have this edit button given. So as soon as you click the edit button, so on the fly you can change all these details, replacing it with your own details. Just select the section. So you can even select your picture as well. Simply embed the picture, replace the degree, year, everything. So just select the section using your mouse, edit these details. Same goes with this. Replace it. So it's built inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can directly purchase the source code. The link is given. Once you purchase it, automatically the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. So this is the first template. Same goes with the second template as well. Click the edit button. So again you can be able to edit the details. Then we have the third template. Again you can click the edit button and start editing it. So in a matter of seconds you can build out a CV and resume for any sort of thing. It's fully customizable. So once you get the source code, you will be able to edit the source code, add additional features as well. So this will save you a lot of time as well. And click the download button and export your resume to a PDF. Or you can directly print the resume as well. So here inside the code here, I basically embedded this logo. You can replace this logo with any of your school logo, college logo. So once you get the source code, you will actually see I use this static image. You can replace it accordingly. So right here, the logo is this one. You can replace this logo with any of your school logo, college logo, anything. So once you get the source code, so it will be easy for you to customize it, add additional features as well. So the link is given in the description. You can purchase a source code. Here you can mention the skills, programming languages, frameworks. So definitely check this out.